Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Dr. Nargis lectures. Today we are going to learn greetings in English. Greetings are the words and expressions we use when meeting someone. They help us start a conversation politely and confidently. Let's begin with some common greetings. The first greeting is hello. We can use hello at any time of the day. It is one of the most common greeting in English. For example, hello, how are you? The second greeting is hi. Hi is an informal greeting. We usually use it with friends, classmates, and family members. For example, hi, nice to meet you. Now let's learn time based greetings. Good morning. We use good morning before 12 pm. For example, good morning everyone, good afternoon. We use good afternoon from 12 pm to 5 pm. For example, good afternoon sir, good evening. We use good evening after 5 pm. For example, good evening friends. And finally, good night. We usually say good night before sleeping and when leaving at night. Example, good night, see you tomorrow. Now let's practice a short conversation. You can practice with your friends, fellows by using these hello, hi, how are you, and by answering these sentences. Let's look at another example. So you can practice these words with your friends, with your family members. So now remember these important tips. Always greet people with a smile. Be polite and friendly. Use the correct greeting according to the time of the day. And most importantly, practice every day. The most you practice, the more confident you will be. Now it's your turn. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to Dr. Nargis lectures. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson. Allah Hafiz.